Well, I just finished a workout. As you can see, I'm a little sweaty. It's still super hot here in Florida. But today I wanted to talk about a phrase that a lot of health coaches use that's not really true, okay? And that is, the foods you consume can heal you. Is it the foods we consume that heal us? From my study and my research, I can absolutely say no. It's not the foods we consume that heal us. Rather, it's the foods we do not consume that heal us. And I really think that's true. And some of the health coaches that say that are some of my favorites, and I respect them tremendously. But this is kind of a technical point, but it's not really the food that heals us, it's our body that heals us. Our own body's inherent ability to have that immune system kick in and get rid of congestions and acids that cause things like cancer. Cancer is something, if a doctor told me or whatever, if I found out I had cancer, I would simply just go on a fruit-based diet, raw, ripe, whole fruits. And in time, you see, by eating those foods, it's the fruits are not healing you. But what happens when you eat fruits is that your body has energy now to get rid of the congestion and the acids. The fruits are alkaline foods. They're easy to digest, so they do not promote congestion and acids. It's as simple as that. Health is not rocket science. Basically, if you ask anybody on the planet, what are the best foods to eat? They're going to say fruits and vegetables. So why not eat fruits and vegetables? Because animal products tend to create acids. They do create acids, congestion, even starches. Potatoes and rice create acids and congestion. So if you're in a health crisis, the simple solution, eat fresh, ripe, whole fruit and eat it in copious amounts, because they're not creating acids and congestion. They will give your body the energy. You see what happens when we eat animal-based foods and starches? They are tough to digest. They take a long time for your body to break down into simple sugars, which your body needs. Every cell in your body needs simple sugars, glucose and fructose. Those are the only fuel source that humans can use. So no matter what you eat a steak, a hamburger, or you eat a baked potato, that food has to be broken down to simple glucose. And that is a very taxing process. You're spending a lot of calories trying to break that down into glucose. But when you eat the fruit, it's assimilated on your tongue. Very easy to assimilate into the body because it's glucose and fructose. So now your body is saving energy. And what does your body inherently do with the saved energy? It starts to clean house. The immune system kicks in and starts to get rid of the acids and the congestion. So remember that it's not the foods that heal you. It's your body's own inherent ability. Your body wants homeostasis. It wants balance. It inherently goes there. That's where it goes. And when you give your body a chance by not eating foods that create acids and indigestion, you're on your way to fixing your own health problem. Because people sometimes think they're powerless, that they have to go here, they got to go there for this test, that test, this test, that test. And, you know, I've got to listen to a lot of stuff that is not helping you. You know, and you've got to get to the root cause. The root cause is, if you have a health crisis, you're eating things you should not be eating. Processed foods, loaded with junk, rancid oils, carcinogens, too much sugar, salt, which is not good for us, and the over-consumption of animal products and starches. You know, that's why at this stage of my life, I'm almost 74, how can I still work out every day, still teach tennis? I'm on no medications, no surgeries. It's because I let my body heal itself. You have to give your body a chance, and that's the bottom line. The body that the Creator gave you will do its job. That's the way you're created. It's going to do its job. But you have to help it. You have to eat foods that don't create the acids and the congestion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Fruit up. Eat as much fruit as you care for, and even a little bit more, okay? It's going to help you, because you'll get used to eating more fruit. Because in the beginning, when people start to eat copious amounts of fruit, it doesn't sit that well. But that's because your body's congested. You have to progress into this slowly, okay? And that's why I'm here. I'm here to help. Well, it's one of the reasons I'm here. It's not the main reason, but it's my job, because I enjoy helping people, and this has worked so well for me. As a tennis pro 15 years ago, I was wondering if I could continue my livelihood, which supported my wife and my 2 daughters our whole lives. So, fortunately, I found this way of eating, a vegan, low-fat diet, and it's helped me. It's helped me so much. So, guys, please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here, because this channel is about giving you tips, ideas, fitness workouts, things you can do where you're taking responsibility for your own health and your own body. All the best, guys. To your health success. Fruit up. Take care.